The installation today is going to be for a standard T8 4-foot LED fixture where we're replacing 4 T8 4-foot fluorescents. Most important thing obviously is to make sure your power is turned off before you do any of the installation work for risk of shock. The first thing that needs to be done when you're installing LED tubes is to bypass the ballast. This is an electronic ballast. On the particular T8 tubes that we're using, or the LED tubes that we're using today, we're going to connect all of the tombstone wires on one end of the fixture to neutral, the other end to line voltage, and the tubes can be put in either way. Okay, what we've done is we've bypassed the ballast during the first installation step. You've got your line voltage, neutral, and ground coming into your fixture. Ground is going to be hooked up to the dropper. You can take, with this particular tube, your neutral and hook it to all the wires that come from one end of the fixture. All the wires will go to neutral. Take your line voltage coming in. All the wires from the other side of the fixture will then be your line voltage, or hot. With this type of tube that we're installing, you can put the tube in either way, just as long as one side of the fixture is neutral, one side of the fixture is line voltage, you're good to go. Okay, before we put the fixture back together, we install one tube and test it to make sure all of our wiring connections are in place, and we go ahead and turn on the switch. Everything is good. Turn your power back off before you put the cover plate in place. The last step before installing all of the tubes, we have made an adjustment to the dropper. You must install a label that says that the fixture is now set for LED tubing and that an adjustment has been made to this fixture, because now it cannot and will not run a fluorescent light bulb. And we'll go ahead and install that tube on the center cover to where it's easily seen by an electrician or somebody that might be making an adjustment to this particular light fixture. And the final and last step before you put your cover over your fixture. Label's been installed, all 4 tubes have been installed. The installation is basically completed in about 3 to 4 minutes per fixture. Turn your switch on and test all your lamps. These are high output 22 watt LED tubes.